So, what happens when you take a Mark IV and sort of hot rod it a bit? So this pedal, the Mark IV, people are calling it the Kawasaki. You shouldn't really, and believe me, I don't want to steal anyone else's name, but that's what people are calling it because we've used the green paint of a Kawasaki motorbike on it. But it's the Batman Flash one, which is, how cool is that? I don't know if it looks like a Kawasaki. It looks more like a sort of tube of polos in a way, but whatever it is, it's cool pedal. What happens when you take a classic Mark IV circuit and just make it a little bit more evil and motorbikey? Well, this happens. This is the Batman Kawasaki, and inside is your Mark IV circuit. But you know what happened? When we got our STC transistors for the trade show specials, we also managed to score a big bag of black STCs, which just looked nasty. So we used them in here. Dave's teamed it up with an OC82D transistor, but acting as a diode, and some really big, fat, evil black caps. This is a killer Mark IV. Absolute killer Mark IV. Let's let you hear it. Gotta love that. Like any Mark IV, cleans up to quite a musical kind of Mark II-ish. Just gonna rock it back a little bit because that's on full tilt. Lovely middly sort of honk to it. But for me, this pedal is the sound of fuzz freedom. You can almost feel the wind in your hair. So there we have it. You know, it was a few months ago, we just thought, what should we be doing? Because over the last few years, we've done loads of Mark IVs with the bendy logo in different colour cases, all with slightly different flavours. And of course, we did a bendy logo in this green. But then we thought, we just haven't done enough Batman fuzz pedals, Batman Flash fuzz pedals. So this was a natural one, but it's a real one of those projects where everything just came together. The cases turned up, the transistors turned up at the same time. It was just meant to be. So yeah, if you want a Mark IV that totally rocks, this is definitely the one. Love it.